Why does identifying your target audience matter in the world of solopreneurs and startups? This question is more crucial than it may initially appear. Knowing your target audience is the cornerstone of business success. It's like having a roadmap. It guides your decisions, helping you to allocate resources efficiently and develop products that resonate with the right people. It's about understanding who is most likely to benefit from your solution and why. This understanding can lead to increased sales, as you're able to tailor your approach to their specific needs, preferences, and behavior patterns. So you see, identifying the target audience isn't some high-end business luxury that only big companies can afford. No, it's a necessity. It's the foundation upon which successful businesses are built. Now, how do you go about identifying your target audience? Well, let's break it down into manageable steps. Firstly, you'll want to conduct market research. This can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. You're essentially trying to understand the size of the market you're entering, who your competition is, and what your potential customers prefer. This can be done through online research, surveys, or even by observing trends in similar markets. Next, you'll use this research to create buyer personas. This is where you get to play detective and piece together a profile of your ideal customer. You'll look at demographics, identify their pain points, understand their preferences, and examine their behavior patterns. This gives you a clearer picture of who you're creating your product or service for. The third step is validation. This is where you test your buyer personas against real customers. You can use surveys, interviews, or focus groups to do this. The goal here is to ensure that your personas accurately represent your target audience. If they don't, it's time to go back to the drawing board. Finally, refine your personas based on the feedback you receive. This is an iterative process, and it's okay to make changes. As you learn more about your customers, you'll be able to refine your personas to better match their needs and wants. Remember, identifying your target audience is an iterative process. It's okay to refine and tweak as you learn more about your customers. We've covered a lot of ground, so let's quickly recap the key points. Identifying your target audience is pivotal for business success. It's the backbone of your marketing strategy, shaping your product development and ultimately, your brand's future. The process is straightforward, yet profound. It starts with conducting market research to understand the market landscape and potential customers. Next is creating buyer personas, constructing a hypothetical profile of your ideal customer based on demographics, pain points, preferences, and behavior patterns. Then, validate these personas with real-world data, fine-tuning them based on feedback and insights. With a clear understanding of your target audience, you're one step closer to creating a product or service that resonates with your customers. So, go out there and get to know them.